To measure DC voltage, make sure the probes are in the right position. Red to voltage, black to COM. Similar in other meters. Some meters will have a voltage range. You want to set the range above the voltage you're actually measuring. So on a 12-volt battery, I would set this to 20. On a solar panel, I'm going to move that up to 100. Other meters, you just basically have to turn to measure the DC voltage range, which will be the V with this dotted and the solid line over top of it. Similar with the other meter. To measure DC current, you want to change the red probe to the 10 amp position on the meter. Then turn the dial range to the DC current range, which will be the A with the solid and the dotted line over top of it. You want to set it to the range of the item you're measuring. In this case, it's 10 amps. Other meters will work similar, changing the red probe to the 10 amp position, and then changing the probe to measure amperage. This is a voltage measurement. Male probe with red O-ring is positive. Female is negative. Make contact with the pins. You can see it's outputting about 21.2 volts. To check for current, move the red probe to the 10 amp position. Change the dial to the 10 amp position.
To measure the current output with a clamp meter, clip the positive and negative solar connectors on the panel together. Next, switch the clamp meter to the DC setting. Some will default to the AC setting when switched on. Open the jaws of the clamp meter and place the wire inside. Then close the jaws around the wire. An immediate current reading should be seen on the LCD display of the clamp meter.